How to apply for monetization on Facebook page. So you should be able to do this once you navigate yourself into your profile. So once you're there, go into your dashboard or your professional dashboard. You should be able to see the monetize section in the top right corner, or depending on where it's located in yours, as long as it's on the monetize page. So you should be able to see the not yet available section, and expectedly it should be the content monetization area. So this is an invitation only section, so the program is currently only available by invitation. So you're gonna have to press on the notify me option over here to let you know if you are eligible. So you're gonna have to do what the required criteria is. So you should be able to see an example over here on criteria. So over here we have 2/4. So it's expected that you should have finished this first before you will be invited to the content monetization. But as long as you keep on growing your page, you should eventually be invited to the content monetization for your Facebook page. But that's pretty much how you could possibly apply for monetization on your Facebook page. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.